Hello, YouTube followers. Today I'm going to talk about motivation, meditation, and inspiration. If it's not one of the three, I don't want it. So today my motivation is going to be to remember when things are not working in your favor, that they're on the side of getting ready to work in your favor. So as I was inside the sauna, one of my knees felt like it needs to be stretched out. So as I was stretching, I realized that if we continue, we can focus through the pain and we can become great inside. So when we use the things that we're going through and we identify that they're growing and the growth inside of us grows, sometimes it hurts. And as it hurts, we find ourselves, and through finding ourselves, we become the most beautiful version of the reflection of who we are inside. When we identify this, we know that we are great inside. So realize, even when we're in pain, that things can and are working in our favor. As we use these things, we can actually grow through them, and the self-growth that we have will become a reflection on the outside if you're willing to continue. So I could have stopped, but I continued to focus through it, and I was able to make it through the entire time in the sauna and then in the steam room. So as I look at this situation, I see the growth that's available through realizing that to get through to growth, we have to go through pain sometimes and hardships, and realize that we are beautiful inside and that the strength we have inside is enough. When we see this and we believe in ourselves, we grow from within, and the outside becomes a reflection of our inside. So remember, the beauty you have inside yourself is plenty. It is definitely a great place to grow from within. Next, I'm going to talk about meditation. So the second part of meditation is confidence. So as you're disciplined, you'll be able to believe in yourself and the thing called willpower, which is the knowledge to know that you can do what you want to achieve. Willpower. How far you can go. How willing are you to put yourself in a place of growth? So as I was inside the sauna, there was a guy who came in there and he said, "You're full of it." I said, "Oh, really?" Very muscular guy. If you come in the sauna and we go and we decide who's going to walk out first, you'll be walking out before me. Because believing in yourself, knowing that you're great inside, and knowing that you can do the things that make you great, and that the strength grows from within you, is a place of growth. It's a place of knowledge, and self-strength comes from within. We understand that growth is a place inside, and that as we grow, things will happen for us, and they're going to also happen to us. So as we learn from these lessons, we learn how to deal with them better and better. We can identify that they're working in our favor, in fact. In fact, they're moving us closer to our dreams. They're moving us closer to ourselves. And when we become ourselves, that's the place where we grow the most. And when we grow from within ourselves, sometimes it hurts. And sometimes it's the truth about a situation that's going to help you to become the best version of your reflection inside of you. So you see this person in you, you identify that you are great, you can understand that you have to be honest with yourself, and you have to be honest with the beauty that you have inside yourself, or you can't be in love with yourself. And self-love is a reflection. It's a reflection that you look back at and you say, okay, no matter what happens, I'm okay. I can make it through this. I can do this. And when we see this in ourselves, we know that we're great and that we can do great things. Lastly, I'm going to talk about inspiration. So, my inspiration for today is somebody was inside the sauna with us, and she was fit, very fit, but she was talking to a guy about marathons. And when she explained, it's just a little bit. I mean, I'll be doing 1 or 2 miles, I'll be doing a few miles, and the growth is going to come from within. And over time, those miles add up and they become a marathon. And so I just take it easy. Each pace is just a little bit, and I'll grow from within myself. So I just want you to realize that the growth inside yourself is a place of beauty, and that just a little bit, just a little thing each day can bring you closer to that bigger task that you have. I do hope that you all have a blessed day, and thank you for joining my journey. I'm here. I would love if you would subscribe and become a part of my fan base. Blessings and namaste.